Today our class is functions. Functions subtopic is classifications of functions. Classifications of functions. What is the classifications of functions? 1 onto, bijection, and into, and many one functions also. Okay, listen carefully. This is a very important session. Okay, listen all of you. This is Somaraj Diamond Institute of Maths. This is Somaraj Diamond Institute of Maths. Okay, listen. First one equal to 1 function. 1 function is another name is injection function. Injection function. If every element of set A is mapped with different element of set B. What is the example? Example is this is a set A. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4 elements are there here. Next another set B. Set B is A comma B comma A B C D. 4 elements also is there. So this is mapping from A to B. This is the F. F maps A to B is the function. F maps A to B be a function. F maps A to B be a function. Okay, this is 1 is mapped from mapping from A, and 2 is mapping from B. Next C is 3 is mapping from C. 4 is mapping D. Okay, this is the each and every element mapped different elements. So that is called a 1 function. This is the 1 function. This is the 1 function. 1. Okay, second one is many one function. Many one function, non-injection function. Non-injection function. If 2 or more elements of set A have the same images in set B. Same images in set B. What is the example? This is the example. Okay, this is the set A. Next set B. This is the B set. Okay, B set. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Next here A, B, C. A, B, C. Okay, 2 elements. 1 element is mapping from B. Next second element also B. Okay, next this is C. Next this is also mapping from C. Okay, this is only one element. Okay, 1 element mapping from only 1 element is called a many one function. Many to one. Here also many to one. This is the many one function. Many to one function or many one function. Non-injective function. Okay, non-injection function. Okay, not one function is called a many one function. Not one function is called a many one function. Here also 1 is leaving. Not one function is called a many one function. Many is onto function or surjection function if the element in B codomain is the image of at least one element on A. At least one element means at least one or more than one elements mapping B to A. Then we say that F is called onto function. Okay, this is the A set. This is the B set. This is the mapping from F maps A to B. This is the F function. Okay, here 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Next here A, B, C elements. Okay, this is 1 is mapping to A. This is 2 also mapping to A, and 3 mapping from B. Next 4 C. Okay, this is the greater than symbol. This is the greater than symbol is called a onto function. Onto function means this is B element at least one element, at least one or more than one. At least one or more than one is called a onto function. Onto function. Okay, more than one is called a onto function. Non-surjective function if there exists at least one element in codomain. Domain and codomain is not the image of any element of in domain. Okay, no domain. Okay, this is the leave separately. That is the into function or non-surjective function. Then f of x is called a into. Okay, what is the example? I can take example. Okay, this is the set A. This is set B. This is mapping from F maps A to B. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 elements. Okay, here A, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next A, B, C, and D. A, B, C, D. Okay, this A. Next this is also B. Next this is also C. Okay, this is also C. Okay, this is leaving remainder. This is domain. Domain not there here. This is the domain. This is the domain. This is the codomain. This is the codomain. Okay, this is the codomain. Okay, mapping, no mapping from the set A, no map, not in the image of the element of the codomain. Okay, domain. Okay, domain. This is the leave this one. This is into function. This is into function. This is into function. What is the another definition is not on to function is called a into function. What is the fifth one? Okay, next bijection function. If f of x is a 1 1 1 1 and onto then it is called bijective function. Bijective function. How to check one function? Okay, two methods are there. First method is graphical method. This is the graph, this is the parabola. Okay, this is horizontal line. This is right as this is the x-axis. Draw the parabola. Okay, this is the x-axis. This is the y-axis. The upward parabola. Okay, take the horizontal line. How many places cut the horizontal line? Here x1. This is the x2. This is the x1. 2 times are cut the 2 times. Okay, this is the 2 places are cut the 2 places. Means this is the y. This is the y1. Okay, means this is set A equal to x1 and this is x2. This is set B. This is the y1. Okay, x1 to y1 and x2 to y2, x2 to y2. This is 1 1 or not a 1 1, means this is the many one function. Okay, many 2 1 means many one function. Okay, what is the next one is, okay, one curve. This is the graphical method, x axis and y axis. Okay, one curve. This is the one curve is there, one curve. Okay, this is the horizontal line. Draw the horizontal line, cuts the only one place only. Next horizontal line, next cuts one place only. Next here draw the horizontal line, next one place only. This is okay, this is the x1, next this is the x2 and this is the x3, this is the x3. Next this is y1, this is y2, this is the y3, y1 y2 y3. Okay, what is the diagram? A set equal to x1, x2 and x3. Next B set equal to y1 and y2 and y3. Okay, x1 to y1 and x2 to y2 and x3 3 y3. Okay, this is the 1 1 function. 1 1 function. Okay, a graphically horizontal line cuts the only one point is called a 1 1 function. Next graphical method. Next another method is derivative of the function. Derivative f dash of x. Find the f dash of x. F dash of x greater than or equal to 0 or f dash of x is less than or equal to 0. Okay, check that one. Okay, that is also another method. Say to be f maps A to B be a function. Find the f dash of x. F dash of x is greater than or equal to 0 or f dash of x is less than or equal to 0. Only one case only correct, less than or equal to 0 or greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the check the points is called a 1 1 function. This is 1 1 function. This is very useful for problems. Okay, first you have take the function. What is the function? F of x is the function. Given f of x is the function, that is the derivative of the function. What is the domains also given? Domains, substitute the domains. F dash of greater than or equal to 0, f dash of x greater than or equal to 0 and r f dash of x less than or equal to 0. Check the values. Okay, any case you have correct, that is the 1 1 function. Okay, any case you have not a correct, that is the that is the not 1 1 means many one function. Okay, suppose for example two cases also satisfied, two cases also satisfied means that is the many one function. Two cases also satisfied means many one function. Okay, right. Okay, next many one function, two cases also satisfied, this is one case, this is also one case, two cases also satisfied means many one function, many one function. What is the definition of many one function? Not 1 1 is called a many one function, not 1 1 is called a many one function. Okay, one example, question number 1, f of x is equal to x cube plus 4x minus 7, f maps R to R, R to R, this is the domain, this is the domain, this is the codomain. Okay, R to R, this is the domain of f, domain of f. Okay, check the, this is 1 1 function or not, check once. What is the derivative, differentiation of this one, f dash of x is equal to 3x square, 3x square plus 4, 3x square plus 4. What is the domain R? R means what is the values of R? Minus infinity to plus infinity, minus infinity to plus infinity. Oh, suppose for example equal to here, right? Okay, positive values right here. Positive values means suppose for example minus 1 plus 1. 3 into 1 square is equal to 1 plus 4 equal to this is the 7. This is the 7 means this is the greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. Next write minus 1, right? This is also positive value, right? This is a positive value. 1 whole square is equal to 1 equal to 3 into this is the positive value, 1 square is equal to 1, negative value also is equal to 1 plus 4. Okay, this is the plus 4 equal to 7. This is also greater than or equal to 0. Okay, any negative value you have, right? Positive value greater than or equal to 0. Only positive value f dash of x greater than or equal to 0. Domain range equal to domain equal to minus infinity to plus infinity to r equal to domain r equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. Okay, substitute the any value you have, substitute in this case equal to f dash of x greater than 0, greater than or equal to 0. Okay, this is the greater than or equal to 0 means this is the function. What is the function? This one equal to 1 1 function, 1 1 function. Okay, next one more example. Okay, question number 2, f of x is equal to 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Okay, what is the f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to 6x plus 4. F dash of x is equal to 6x plus 4. What is the domain? In the function, domain function is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity, domain. Okay, write the value of in this case. Okay, here negative values right here. Negative values means x plus is equal to minus 1 plus 4 equal to minus 6. This is the minus 2 less than 0. This is less than or equal to 0, right? Like that. Next positive value right here, positive value equal to suppose x is equal to 6 into 1 right, plus 4 equal to 10. This is the greater than or equal to 0. Some cases also greater than or equal to 0, some cases also less than or equal to 0. This is a 1 1 function or not, 1 1 function or not. Okay, this is here f dash of x greater than or equal to 0 and f dash of x less than or equal to 0. Two cases also possible here, means this is not 1 1, not 1 1 function, not 1 1 function. And what is this one? This is many one function, many to 1 function, many to 1 or many one function. Okay, understand. Question number 3, this is the f maps closed interval 0 to infinity to r. This is the domain, this is the range, domain and range. Domain value, substitute the domain values of f dash of x equal to 6x plus 4, 6x plus 4. Domain value is equal to right here 0 means 0 plus 4, this is the greater than or equal to 0. Next domain value is equal to 1 right here, 6 plus 4 equal to 6 plus 4 equal to 10, greater than or equal to 0. Okay, any value, positive value substitute here, this is the greater than or equal to 0, means f dash of x greater than or equal to 0, this is the 1 1 function. Okay, f of x is 1 1 function, 1 1 function. This is real numbers only. This is the domain of f is equal to rational numbers. Domain of f is equal to rational numbers. Okay, here in this case f of x is equal to x minus sin x. Okay, differentiation f dash of x is equal to x differentiation 1, sin x differentiation is equal to cos x. What is the cos x range? Cos x belongs to, what is the range? Minus 1 to 1. Cos x range minus 1 to 1. You want minus 1, minus cos x belongs to, apply the minus here, minus is also plus, means closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Okay, 1 is the add, 1 minus 1 minus cos x belongs to 1 is add means this is the 0 comma 1 is add means this is the 2. Okay, this is the positive values range. Positive values means you have substitute any value 0 to 2 only, 0 to 2 only. F dash of x greater than or equal to 0 means this is f of x is 1 function. F of x is 1 function. Okay, one more example. F of x is equal to 2x minus cos square x. What is the f dash of x? F dash of x is equal to 2x derivative is equal to 2 minus cos square x is equal to 2 cos x. Cos x derivative is equal to minus sin x. Cos x derivative is equal to minus sin x. Okay, equal to 2 minus minus into minus plus 2 sin x cos x is equal to sin 2x. What is the sin 2x? Range of sin 2x. Sin 2x range belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1. What is the add here? 2 plus sin 2x. 2 plus sin 2x belongs to closed interval add 2 means this is the 1. Next add 2 means this is the 3. This is the positive values only increasing function. Increasing function means f dash of x greater than or equal to 0 means f of x is 1 function. Is 1 function. Onto function. How to find the onto function? F of x is a function. F maps a to b. Is the mapping. Method 1. Find the range of f of x. What is the range of f of x? Find. Range is equal to codomain b. Range is equal to codomain b. Both are equal means that is the onto function. Okay, not equal means not onto. Not onto means into function. Then f of x is called a onto function. Okay, range equal to codomain. Is called a onto function. Okay, one example. I can take one example. F of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 6. How to find this one range? Range equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2, right? 4 plus 2. This is a plus b whole square formula. X plus 2 whole square plus 2. X plus 2 whole square plus 2. What is the range? In this case 0, right? 0 means 2 square is equal to 4. 4 plus 2. Okay, here 2 only, 0. Total part is equal to 0 means 2 to. What is the range? Range of f of x is equal to 2 to infinity, positive infinity. Closed interval 2 to positive infinity. This is the range. This is the range of function. Okay, range of function. This is the range of function. Means this is the range is equal to codomain. Both are equal to. This is the r. R means r belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity. These both are equal or not? Not equal. Both are not equal. Means range equal to codomain. Not equal to codomain. Range not equal to codomain. This is not a onto function. Okay, not onto function. Not onto function means what is the function? This name is equal not onto means into function. This is the into function. Okay, next number 2. Okay, first find the range of the function. Okay, the onto function. You have checked the onto function. F of x is equal to x square plus 4x plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 2. This is a plus b whole square formula. Perfect square means x plus 2 whole square. This is plus 2. Okay, here write x is equal to 0 means 2 onwards. Okay, 2 onwards. What is the range? Closed interval 2 to infinity. This is the range. Okay, this is the range. Range is equal to, this is also range is equal to codomain. Both are equal. Range is equal to codomain. Both are equal means this is the onto function. Range equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain. This is onto function. Okay, understand? Onto function means range of the function equal to codomain. Both are equal means that is the onto function. Okay, question number 3. F of x is equal to x plus sin x. Okay, f maps r to r. Range is equal to r only. Okay, this is the x. Okay, what is the x range? Sin x range. What is the sin x? Sin x range belongs to closed interval minus 1 comma 1. What is the x range? X belongs to minus infinity to plus infinity, close open interval. Okay, both are add, minus infinity add minus 1 means minus infinity open interval 2. This is also plus infinity. This is the total x plus sin x, x plus sin x range, x plus sin x range. This is the x plus sin x range value equal to, what is the, this is range is equal to minus infinity to plus infinity. What is the codomain? This is the codomain also minus infinity to plus infinity range. Okay, both are range is equal to codomain. Okay, codomain. Okay, range is equal to codomain. Range is equal to codomain. Then it is called a onto function. F of x is called a onto function. Okay, understand? Okay, you have find the one and onto first. Okay, one function also given. Find the, this is function one or onto or bijection or into function or many one function. That is asking the question. Okay, you have find the one function first. Next, okay, next bijection function. What is the bijection function? Okay, f of x. Bijection function is, if f of x is a one function and onto is called a bijection function. You have find one and onto, both are find, both are one and onto, that is called a bijection function. Next, fourth one is many one function. Many one function. What is the many one function? Okay, not f of x is a not one function, that is called a many one function. F of x is a not one function, not one function is called many one function. Many one function, not one function is called a many one function. Okay, next fifth one is into function. What is the into function? Definition of the into function is, f of x is not onto, f of x is a not onto function is called a into function. Okay, and useful formulas. Number of different functions formulas. Okay, f maps a to b, n of a is equal to m, n of b is equal to n. Okay, this is the number of elements is equal to m and number of elements b is equal to n. Okay, here number of functions from a to b. A to b means reverse, n power m. All are n power m only. Okay, this is the n power m. Okay, number of functions from a to b. A to b means reverse. This is the n to n power m. Next, another one equal to one functions. One functions means n p m. Number of one functions npm. Npm formula. What is the formula? NPR formula. NPR equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. This is the NPR formula. Okay, npm. Okay, next onto functions. What are the onto functions means? What are the power m? nc1 n minus 1 into whole power m plus nc2 n minus 2 whole power m plus so on up to 0 n power m minus this value. Okay, this is the number of onto functions. Next, bijection means one and onto. What are the one and onto? One functions. How many one function? This is the one function. Next, this is also onto function. Okay, total equal. Here bijection functions is equal to m is equal to n. Both are equal means bijection, formula of bijection. Okay, this is the n factorial. N factorial is the number of bijection functions. Next, many one functions. Many one functions means the total number of functions n power m minus one functions. Okay, many one functions is equal to total number of functions n power m minus this is the one functions, subtraction of one functions npm. This is the n power m minus npm. That is the many one functions. Next, into functions means onto functions is subtraction. Number of functions minus onto functions. Onto functions is the subtraction. N power n minus n power m. Both are cancel. Minus. This is the minus means plus. plus nc1 n minus 1 whole power m, next minus nc2 n minus 2 whole power m, plus up to so on 0, plus 0 up to so on, last term is equal to 0. Okay, this is the into functions. Next, increasing functions. What are the increasing functions? Np, nc, ncm. Okay, this is the ncm is the increasing and decreasing functions. Increasing and decreasing functions. These are formulas, very very important. Okay, listen all of you. npm, one number of one functions is called npm equal to 3p 3p3. What is the formula? NPR formula. NPR equal to n factorial by, this is the 3pr means 3 factorial by 3 minus 3 factorial equal to 0 factorial equal to 3 factorial equal to 3 factorial equal to 3 into 2 is equal to 6. 3 into 2 equal to 6. This is the 3p3 is equal to 6. Okay, next, many one function. Many one function equal to, what are the many one function? Total number of functions minus one functions. Okay, total number of functions minus one functions. Okay, total number of functions is equal to 27. 27 minus 6 equal to 21. 21 is the function. What is the formula? Onto function equal to n power m. N power m means 3 power 3 minus nc1 3c1 means 3 minus 1 whole power m is equal to 3. Next, plus 3c2 n minus 3 minus 2 whole power m minus 3c3 3 minus 3 whole power m is equal to 3. This is the 0. This is the 0 until 0. Okay, simplify this one. This is the 27. This is the 27. 3c1 equal to 3. This is the 2 cube is equal to 8 plus 3c2 is equal to 1 cube. Next, this is minus 0. 27 3 8 are 24. 27 minus 24 plus 3 27 30 minus 2 equal to, this is also 6. Okay, that is the 6. Okay, next, number of onto functions completed. Into functions. Into means not onto equal to into. Not onto equal to into means number of functions minus onto functions. Number of functions is equal to 27. 27 minus 6 equal to 21. This is the into functions. Bijection functions. Bijection functions is equal to, what are the bijection functions? How many functions are there? Both are equal means this is the 3 factorial. 3 factorial means this is the 3 factorial equal to 3 into 2 equal to 6. Number of bijection functions. Increasing functions is equal to NCM equal to n is equal to 3. 3cm equal to 3cm means 3c3 3 factorial by 3 minus 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Okay, this is 3 minus 3 factorial equal to 0 factorial 1. 3 factorial cancel equal to 1. Okay, 1 only answer. This is the increasing functions is equal to 1. Okay, understand? What is even and odd functions? Okay, in this case f of minus x is equal to f of minus x is equal to f of x. F of minus x is equal to f of x. F of minus x is equal to f of x, or f of minus x minus f of x equal to 0 is called a even function. Even function. Okay, even function. Next, second one is f of minus x equal to minus f of x, or f of minus x plus f of x equal to 0. This is a odd function. This is odd function. Okay, this is odd function. This is the definition. F of minus x is equal to f of x. F of minus x is minus f of x equal to 0. Even function. This is the f of x. This is the minus f of x. Minus f of x is odd function. Minus f of result is minus of f of x is odd function. This is the plus f of x is even function. That is the remember. Okay, this is even or odd. Even or odd function. Even or odd function. Okay, find the f of minus x equal to minus x sin of minus x. Sin of minus x. Okay, f of minus x is equal to, this is the minus x. Next, f sin of minus x is equal to, that is also minus sin x. minus sin x. Minus is the common, x plus sin x. X plus sin x equal to x plus sin x is equal to f of x. This is the minus f of x. Minus f of x. F of x is equal to minus f of x. Then it is called a odd function. Odd function. Okay. F of x is equal to 3x square plus cos x. 3x square plus cos x. Okay, this is the question number 2. F of x, f of minus x. Find the f of minus x. F of minus x equal to minus x whole square is equal to 3x square only plus cos of minus x. Cos of minus x. 3x square equal to 3x square. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. Cos of minus x is equal to cos x. This is the f of x. This is the f of x. F of minus x is equal to f of minus x equal to f of x. This is the even number. This is the even function. Even function. Okay, this is the even function. Okay, understand. Even of x is equal to log base e x plus square root of x square plus 1. This is even function or odd function. Okay, write f of minus x. F of minus x equal to log e minus x plus square root of minus x whole square is equal to x square plus 1. X square plus 1. This is write as log base e minus x means square root of x square plus 1 minus x equal to log base e. This is a rationalize square root of x square plus 1 minus x into square root of x square plus 1 plus x by square root of x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, right? Here log base e into square root of a square plus b square means this is x square plus 1 minus x whole square is equal to x square by square root of x square plus 1 plus x. Okay, x square cancel equal to log base e 1 by square root of x square plus 1 plus x. This is take upside. This take upside means x log e. This is take upside means here square root of x square plus 1 plus x whole power minus 1. This is the minus 1 take front side equal to minus log base e into x plus square root of x square plus 1. This is the minus of f of x. This is the minus f of x. F of x is equal to minus f of x. Okay, this is the f of x is equal to minus f of x. F of x is equal to minus f of x. This is the odd function. This is the odd function. Okay, understand. Next, one more example. Question number 4. This is the even function or odd function. Check once. Okay, write f of minus x. X plus is minus x. This is the 2 power minus x plus 2 power plus x by this is also 2 power minus x minus 2 power plus x. 2 power plus x. Okay, here 2 power plus x. Okay, here minus is the common downside equal to 2 power minus x. This is the 2 power plus x, right? Starting 2 power x plus 2 power minus x, both are interchanging, no problem. Here minus is the common means 2 power x minus 2 power minus x. Here minus also is there, totally minus right here. Okay, this is the 2 power x plus 2 power minus x by 2 power x minus 2 power minus x. Okay, this is the f of x only. This is the f of x equal to minus f of x. F of minus x is equal to minus f of x. This is odd function. Okay, this is the odd function. Okay, understand. Okay, write the problem. Okay, this is Institute of Maths. Okay, watch more videos, go to my channel and check my channel and like my channel and share my channel. Okay, watch and each and every chapter and every topic and write the notes. You get the good result in the JEE mains and examinations and IIT examinations also. Okay, thank you for your watching.